Namaste students. In today's lecture, I am doing question number 8 of exercise 12.3 for you people. In this question, a racing track is given to us. Here, they have drawn the line segments AB, CD, EF and GH. Now afterwards they have drawn semicircles so that racing track is formed. This is the racing track for which we have to find the area. It is say that these two line segments are parallel to each other and the distance between these two inner line segments is 60 meter. Means this distance is 60 meter. That means we can say that inner diameter is 60 meter. If inner diameter is 60, that means inner radius will be 30. This is given to us. Then they are saying that width of the track, and they are 106 meter long, means this length is 106 meter. This is given to us. And if track is 10 meter wide, means this thing is 10 meter. If this is 10 meter, this will also be 10 meter. That means we can say outer diameter GF will be 60 plus 10 plus 10, 80 meters. So outer radius will be 40 meter. Outer radius 40 meter, and line segment AB, CD, EF as well as GH all are 106 meter long. After giving all this information, they are asking us to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. First thing they are saying, distance along the inner edge. If we start from here, means they are saying find AB, then this semicircle, then again this line segment, again this semicircle. So what I am taking is, this is distance along the inner edge. So for calculating distance around the inner edge, what we have to calculate? Firstly, AB, this 106. Then we'll be adding this circumference of the semicircle, means pi r. Again CD, then again pi r. So distance around the inner edge will be AB, then pi r, then CD, and again pi r. Here small r is for inner radius, and for capital outer radius we having capital R. Now AB means 106. This pi r and pi r will be combining, it will be formed 2 pi r. CD is 106 plus 2 into 22 by 7, and inner radius we have taken 30. So it will be 30. So after addition, 106 and 106 will give 212 plus 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 3, 1320 upon 7. So if we divide 1320 with 7, we will be getting 2 approximately 188.57. So we'll be having 212 plus 188.57. So total will come 400.57 centimeter, because we are talking about distance. So distance will be in meters only. So it is 400.57 meter. If we don't want to calculate the distance around the inner track in decimal form, we can also calculate in fraction form. In that case, 212 plus 1320 upon 7. LCM will be taken. 7 will get multiplied with 212. We will be getting 1484. Plus 1320 will give us 2804 upon 7. Next thing, second part, they are asking about the area of the track. If they say area of track, then which area has to be calculated? This, you see carefully, this is nothing but a rectangle. So area of rectangle plus this area, this one, area of half ring. Then again area of rectangle, again area of half ring. So area of track can be calculated if we write area of rectangle ABEF plus area of rectangle CDHG plus 2 times, these are two identical rings, 2 times half the area of ring. This is half ring. So 2 times area of half ring. So that this 2 and half will get cancelled. We will be saying area of ring only. Now how to find area of rectangle ABEF? In case of rectangle, area is length into breadth. Length is 106 meter and width is 10 meter. So area of rectangle will be 106 into 10 plus same will be the area of rectangle CDHG. Here also length is 106 and width is 6 plus this double and half will get cancelled. Area of ring. Area of ring means pi capital R square minus small r square. 106 into 10 means 1060 plus 1060. That makes it 2120 plus the value of pi is 22 by 7. Capital R, the value of bigger radius is given to be 40 and smaller radius is given to be 30. So this will be 40 square minus 30 square. By 7, 40 square minus 30 square, a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b, that is 40 plus 30, 70, 40 minus 30, 10. So we'll be having 70 into 10. 7 and 70 got cancelled, 10. So we will be having 22 into 10 into 10 means 2200. We obtain 2120 plus 2200. Adding these two values, we will be having the area of the track as 4320.